Welcome. Today I will going to show you how to set up the JDK for Java program. So we're going to download the JDK. Means it's enough for we can download JDK version 22. So right here, we download here, and right here we have many options. So we're going to download either the exe file or the zip file. So I will download this one. So I have downloaded it. Then I'm going to copy this one to the local disk C program file, and let me create a folder Java here, Java, and I'm going to paste it here. Paste. Good. So right here I'm going to open this folder, and I'm going to open the bin folder, and I'm going to copy this path, Control C. Then I will going to search for the environment variable, and I will going to paste it here, environment variable in path. I'm going to create a new path, and I'm going to paste here. But first, let me check it whether JDK is installed or not for the previous version. So when I write Java C version, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. So I will going to set the path right here. I'm going to check it here, new. Yes, I have pasted the path here. Okay, click OK. Then I will going to check in the command prompt here, Windows R, then Java C version. Yeah, I have installed Java 22 version 22. So right here I can be able to write certain Java program, and I can compile through the command prompt. So right here, let me create a folder. Let me create a folder named Java Lab. And I will going to save this file as hello.java. Good. Then public class hello. Then I will going to create the main method public static void main string args. Then I will going to print out something here, system.out.println hello. This is my first program, So I'm going to close the curly brace that I have open there. So right here I don't have this one is the access modifier. This one is a class keyword, so as to create a class. This is a class name, as well as it should have to be a file name in case of Java programming. This is the public method. It's a public, the access modifier, the static to make this method accessible without instantiating an object. And here the args, string args, this lets us to create a number of objects. And right here we don't have standard output, system.out.println, and I can write any other text right here. So let me duplicate it, and let me change this. Java programming. Good. I'm going to save it now. So after this, I can be able to access this. I mean, I can be able to compile this program through the command prompt. So I'm going to open the folder where I save the file. Then D master class. I have saved it here. Java lab. Then I will going to write cmd here so as to open this path through the command prompt. Then Java, right here I can see the folders and the files. I don't have a single file only, which is hello.java. Then Java C, which EL, and I will going to press tab. There is no any error. Then let me see with dir, and I do have an additional file right here, hello.class. This is the bytecode. So right here I can be able to run the Java program hello. Then I will get the output as such, right? So this is how we're going to compile any Java program through command prompt. Thanks for attending with me. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and you will going to be updated when I upload new videos.